This is Dilly's first day skiing with instructor Erica. This is just after Christmas, December 28th, 2011. She's about 2.5, and she's doing so awesome. Daddy's so proud. Debbie and Riley are here, and Mommy too. Oh, she just fell a little bit. She's doing so awesome. Daddy's so proud. I love you, sweetheart. Goodbye. See you later.